Zenda, hey, Zenda, 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 Kelly Alabu Zenda, Zenda, Zed James, James.
What's up, my brother? That is it. What's up, bro?
Yeah, good man.
How are you, man?
Okay,
How's your weekend?
perfect man.
Okay, enjoying, I can see.
No, I'm not complaining.
You're not complaining.
Yeah,
Yes, welcome to the studio, Sir JK.
thank you, bro.
Okay, yes, we are apparent that is a 3 minutes past 12, that is a 1. And as I said earlier on, I'll be having this gentleman, but I already have him in the studio. I got him, it's a JK South Sudan. The song going on the background is called We Go So. It's one of his oldest songs, but today he's going to bring my new song. It's called Go Down. I've been playing this song, but he's going to talk about more. He's going to tell us more about this song, but we are going to find more about, from him about his musical career, the challenges. So I know with music there are a lot of things that might even take you down. Sometimes they might take you down, sometimes they may take you ahead. But simply, tell us a little bit of your music.
Okay.
Like your journey, when did you start it, and what is your real name apart from JK South Sudan? Why did you decide to call yourself JK South Sudan?
That's my real name.
Of course, that's not your there's no one that's
It
called
is
JK.
John Kemis.
John Kemis.
Yeah.
And that is your you put name JK South Sudan.
Yeah,
Okay, then when did you start your music?
that is way back in 2012.
Where?
Juba here, man.
Started your music in Juba.
Yeah,
2012.
2012. And due to the, I'm very young and I have to control with education and music because music is with me and education, time is going. I have to follow my education. Like today, I'm back.
Today you're back.
Yeah.
You mean like just today you're back now? Meaning by then you are not back.
Yeah, 2 masters at a go, you know, sometimes is very difficult. That's why I have to keep music like some 1 meter and a school close to me, books close to me and music 1 meter. But today, music near me. Yeah.
So education is far.
No, the stuff that I'm talking about, I finished that step. I'm going to another step. That is the campus, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that is great. Then that you started in 2012, and up to now, how many songs have you so far recorded right from that time?
Yeah, I have more than 18 songs. That is released, it was songs.
Okay.
More than 18.
In those 18 songs, how many videos?
I have 4 videos.
4 videos.
Yeah.
That you recorded, that you have.
Yeah.
And out of those 4 videos, what have you gained from it? The benefits from the 4 videos. I know shooting of videos is not a little bit expensive, but
Yeah.
what are the benefits of making video?
The benefit of making a video, people have been listening to my music, but they never knew who is that. How did JK look like? Okay? So this is what I have gained. People knows me now through my videos. They love the songs, but there's no videos. I have to do video for them. So this is what I gain out of it. And we are doing music for love of our country. I'm not doing music for getting a fame. I'm not doing music for to be proud or what. I'm doing
Where
it.
on earth that someone is doing a music just not to gain fame? Where on earth? How can someone just take a profession without even having that future that I want to make like this? How?
You know what? I'm not doing music for just to make fame today or tomorrow, but I'm doing it for the next future to promote my nation to the next level. Not just like today, you know, I want to be a fame. No, building.
Okay, JK, let's talk about your, because in everything, when someone is doing something, there might be a mission and a vision. So let's look at your mission and your vision in the music industry. What are you aiming at, and what is your mission and vision?
Okay, my mission and vision is tomorrow people have to see JK outside that he is from South Sudan. That's my vision.
Is that not fame?
Yeah.
Is that not
after.
Now, you see where I've locked yourself now. You say you don't want to do music for fame, and you want to go outside. Is that not fame? That is famous, because being famous, then that will take you outside. And then that is your mission, right?
Yeah.
Then how about the vision?
The vision. Yeah, I'm gonna do great things for my country. For real, I'm gonna do a lot of music, a lot of videos. So there is no more talk about that. So the action we'll talk about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many? Okay. Do you have a manager in your music? Do you have a manager?
No, I just have a co-manager, but not
what does that? The question is, do you have a manager? Whether a crew manager, but it's just response say,
No.
yeah, I have a manager. You don't have a manager.
The personal manager is not there.
You don't have a manager, right?
Yeah.
Ah,
But
so
crew
we-
manager is there.
How? But that is manager. You might be confusing the listener. So, do you have a manager, isn't it? But now let's look at it. How are you supporting? Since you say you don't have a manager, let's just exclude the crew manager out. You don't have a manager. How are you supporting yourself? And how are you pushing with your music?
Yeah, I have to work hard to get money out to record and shoot my videos. I have to work for myself.
What do you do apart from music? Currently, we know Corona has affected a lot of things.
By then I don't do anything. In the year back from 2019, I was being a student. But this year, I'm a bit working with actually in somewhere, okay? So to get my money, to shoot my videos and record songs.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then let's look at the music platforms that you have. How many social media platforms that do you have as JK?
Okay, first thing I have YouTube. I'm on YouTube, Facebook, and also WhatsApp, Instagram. Indeed, last year my account has been hacked. Everything that JK1000 has is been hacked. Even the page, everything has been hacked from me. So I have opened new Facebook page, YouTube, anything. I have opened new.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then do you benefit from that's YouTube?
No, I don't.
Why? How many followers do you have and subscribers do you have on YouTube?
It is just now
Viewers.
like 1 month now. I've opened a new YouTube account. It is like a new